What are Copilot prompts and how to write them? Microsoft. Hi there. Welcome to M365 Professional. Microsoft Copilot will help you achieve things like never before. All you need is a prompt. And a prompt is simply how you ask Copilot to do something for you. Summarize this paper into 3 key points. That's a prompt. Add slides for visiting Waikiki and Diamond Head to this presentation. That's a prompt. Draft an email to the boss asking to replace our broken printer. Please write in a professional tone and suggest alternative solutions. You got it. You can put a little or a lot into a prompt. All you need is a clear goal. Most prompts you give Copilot will probably fit into one of these 5 categories. Create. Say you want a quick first draft of a document, presentation, or email. Edit. Maybe you need to add a new slide in PowerPoint. Or have Copilot rewrite a Word doc in a different tone. Understand. Like if your Excel chart could use a visual explainer. Or to identify key arguments in a doc. Ask. Maybe there's a specific detail that Copilot can help find. A name, a date, or reference to an old project. Finally, catch up. To get up to speed on that Microsoft Teams meeting you missed, or for help with an overwhelming Outlook inbox, Copilot to the rescue. Keeping these 5 categories in mind will help kickstart ideas for prompting Copilot, and that first prompt is really just the start of a conversation. Follow up with Copilot to edit a long paragraph down, add more details, or simply regenerate a new result. Remember, all a prompt needs is a clear goal, but the more details and direction you can provide, the better Copilot can meet your needs. Pretty soon you'll be prompting like a pro. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional for SMB.